Have you ever measured your blood sugar levels? If you don't suffer from diabetes, you probably haven't. In fact, most people don't pay much attention to it, even when their test results come back with abnormal levels. Your blood sugar levels are super important because they help your doctor diagnose diseases such as diabetes or even pre-diabetes, a condition that shows that you have chances of developing diabetes. Apart from the sugar in your blood, triglycerides also give your body energy. When we have too much of this kind of fat, they turn into the much-hated muffin tops. What most people don't know is that having high levels of triglycerides means that you have very high chances of developing diabetes. Since this disease impacts your life in so many ways, developing good habits is key. A healthy diet and regular exercise seem like obvious recommendations, but very few actually take them seriously. Furthermore, there are a few natural ingredients that can greatly help regulate your blood sugar and triglyceride levels. The ingredients we're talking about are cloves and cinnamon. According to research, cloves make your insulin function more efficiently, requiring less insulin to keep the sugar inside your cells where it's turned into energy. Cinnamon can actually lower your blood sugar levels and fight diabetes by imitating the effects of insulin and increasing the transportation of sugar to your blood cells. It can also increase insulin sensitivity, making it more effective in getting sugar to your cells. If you want to reduce your blood sugar and triglyceride levels, or even use them as a form of prevention, you should try clove and cinnamon water. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 4 sticks of Ceylon cinnamon, 60 grams of cloves, 1 liter of water. Instructions: combine all of the ingredients in one container and keep the liquid in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days. After the recommended time has passed, strain the mixture. It's recommended that you drink half a cup a day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.